He was the first one. Brilliant finish from Balanster Taro. Response immediately as Ferenster scored his first. And there was a chance for Monush Lapang to make it 2-all. Long ball forward. And Bantela. And he's cycling. He is sparkling. Ego reliable on the ball. Mr. Badamido. Badamido looking to find the run of Balanster. And Balanster beating his man with pace. Balanster scores! Jyntru takes the lead. It's Balanster Taro who opens the scoring. Badamido Nongflang, having missed a chance not too long ago, sets this one up. Balanster incredibly beats the defender. They regroup once again. Gabon Lapang has given it away. Here's a chance for Congo. 1-1. But looking for the long pass. Received well on the far side by Banlambo Busan. He's past his marker. Here's Busan. Back in. It's 2-1. Seng Samla, from going a goal down, have now gone a goal up in less than 5 minutes. It's Bantela from the edge of the area. The chance set up brilliantly by Banlambo Busan. And it's Bantela who won the score. Jyntru won it back, and here's a chance for Monush Lapang to make it 2-all. It's 2-all. We have a game on our hand, folks. End to end, the teams keep exchanging goals. Monush Lapang taking advantage of the low pass, goes in behind. Brilliant finish, toe poke. Long ball upfield. Chance for a header! It's 3-2. Bantela with his second of the game. Makes it 3-2 for Seng Samla, who've taken the lead once again. Lovely cushioned header. Wonderful bowling from right flank. Bantela got in unmarked. Jefferson. We'll find the run in behind once again. Is Badaminot onside? Chance to Badaminot. He's turned it in. 3-3. Superb finish from Badaminot Nongflang on his left leg. Curls it in. No chance for Ricky. Jefferson finding Badaminot in behind. It's Badaminot and he scored it! Oh my God! Emanba, the substitute, gets his second goal. Badaminot leaves it. Emanba, that is absolutely special. To the touch. Balanster still has possession towards Monush Lapang. Is Emanba has a goal. It's a block. Crucial block in. Monish is still there. Driving forward. Past Rinja. No ball in from Monish. It's 6-4. Monish creates the chance. And Emanba Marbanyang has... Emanba. Can he score a second? Curled in, hits the wall. Second free kick hits the wall. Long ball played forward. Emanbah, his flag has stayed down, jumps for the fourth, and it's 4 for Emanbah Marbanyang. This has been an absolute dream for Emanbah. 4 goals off the bench. Continues to. Seng Samla will get it away. Not well enough. And it's another one. It's 8-4. It's nongbah who scored his second of the game. Jyntru piling on the goals. Comedy of errors at the back. And pressing has scored his second of the game. And Emanbah's through on goal. He's played it square. Here's a chance. And it's 9. And with a brilliant header, making it 3. Badaminot, lovely finish to make it 3-all going into halftime. And we thought, ooh, what a game we're going to have. End-to-end, even contest. But here comes the substitute, Emanbah Marbanyang, completely changing the face of the game. Here was his second goal. Here was his first, in fact. Here was the second. A lovely free kick from Emanbah. There was an incredible goal from Ferenster to make it 5-4 heading into the final 10 minutes. Emanbah making it a hat-trick. And then 4 for Emanbah Marbanyang, number 19, off the bench. Unbelievable.